Yeah, you probably only deserve a rare. Rare and lame, just like you, new kid. Rare, that's a start. More rare than a common, right? Rare is good. Epic, like that time I kicked Cal's ass. A rare card, that's okay, I guess. Wow, epic. The more packs you open, the more epics you get. An epic card, kick ass! Nice, a rare. Rare, that's it, just a rare? You stacked, new kid. Okay, you're a little bit lucky. An epic? I felt that one coming. Absolutely epic, new kid. Can't have too many rares. I like rares, don't you? I thought it was an epic, but it's only a rare. Sorry. A rare! You're such a loser. Epic, that must feel good. I've heard tales of this. Legendary!